KS Services is now offering preventative maintenance plans as low as $12 a month. Preventative maintenance is so important when it comes to your HVAC system. Let us come check your system out and perform our 22-point inspection. It's better to be safe than sorry. We have so many plans to choose from and special offers that go along with them. Call today for more information. 205-322-9090. Alabama license number 11120.
There's your weather video for this Tuesday morning, January the 29th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray sitting in for James Spann, who's over on television this morning. Rain changing to snow across parts of central Alabama. Here's the radar. 541 this morning, showing now coming down pretty good. Places like Adamsville, Clay, northern parts of the Birmingham metro area, some big flakes falling now. Places like Springville, snow tapering off a little to the northeast. Aniana, you can see snowing on up into the Boaz area up on Sand Mountain. Albertville and those areas. The transition area across southern Jefferson County, northern Shelby County, mix of rain and snow now. Places like Alabaster, probably mixing over, changing to snow now in Pell City. Some flakes probably falling around Talladega now. So far, the Tuscaloosa area, they saw some flakes of snow, but they've been mostly rain. And back to the west, changing over to snow, places like Aliceville, Livingston, and York at this time. Roads now currently across central Alabama, mainly wet. Now, the National Weather Service has dropped the winter storm warning for all of central Alabama. Winter weather advisory now covers the counties in purple there through generally the I-59 corridor and points south. The National Weather Service in Huntsville has dropped all of their products. That reflects a winter storm watch, which is a leftover artifact. No advisories now for the Tennessee Valley. These are temperatures and winds off of the surface this morning across Alabama, showing that Arctic front now pushing through the Birmingham metro area. Winds shifting back around to the northwest. Now it has reached places like Selma and Anniston, just reaching Anniston as well. Temperatures beginning to fall through the 30s and dropping into the freezing mark in lower places to the northwest of Birmingham. 36 in Tuscaloosa, 36 in Birmingham, 37 in Gadsden. Temperatures down to 34 at Jasper, now 31 at Coleman, 29 at Haleyville. As you can see, the snow, though, is ending about the time that the freezing temperatures get here, which is good news for conditions. Bad news for our snow lovers, though. This is what's going on right now in the HRRR. You see the good depiction of what's happening right now. Snow falling in the Birmingham metro area and off to the northeast. Still rain down in the Tuscaloosa area. As we go through time, the snow will continue to slide to the southeast and will diminish. You can see the snow line is through the Birmingham area there by 8 a.m. this morning. All the precipitation over in Tuscaloosa. It's now into Talladega County here by 9 a.m. It's ending over in Calhoun and Claiborne counties here by 10 o'clock, and is mostly out of the state or has changed over to rain by the time we get to the noon hour. And that's pretty much what we kind of expect to happen as we go through time. Now, in terms of cloud cover, it's going to clear very quickly behind the main line this morning. You can see we're all socked in with clouds beginning to clear by 7 o'clock in the northwest corner of the state, reaching parts of Lamar and Fayette County by 8 o'clock. And you can see that clearing line continues on to the east, reaching Jasper and Tuscaloosa shortly after 9 a.m. this morning, reaching the Birmingham area around 10 o'clock, and it continues to proceed rapidly on to the east. We'll have bright blue skies as soon as that clearing line moves through this morning, and that's going to help things in a lot of ways. It'll help to melt any snow that does stick, and it will help get our temperatures up into the upper 30s by this afternoon. Now, here's accumulations off the HRRR showing still thinking that there'll be some snow accumulations in the Birmingham metro area. That remains to be seen. This has been a moving target all night. It was saying areas from Meridian up to Tuscaloosa were going to be the snow winners, but as the latest model showing some accumulations in the Birmingham metro area, it remains to be seen whether that will still happen. We'll just see. Let's go look at some temperatures. You can see the progression of the cold front there. Temperatures falling into the 30s this morning. As we get toward the noon hour, temperatures 37 at Tuscaloosa, around 33 at Birmingham and Gadsden, 36 over in Anniston. That looks pretty accurate. As the sun returns, we'll see some rise in those temperatures, but as soon as the sun drops this afternoon, temperatures will drop as well. We'll fall quickly below freezing this evening across much of the area, especially over northeastern parts. The good news is the air mass has moderated to somewhat, and as we go through the night, we think that temperatures are not going to be as cold as we thought. You know, we were predicting that we would see teens, maybe lower 20s across much of central Alabama tonight for Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning, but that doesn't seem to be the case now. Looks like we'll be around freezing in West Alabama. Temperatures in the US 78 to Highway 280 corridor running in the upper 20s, with colder readings over northeast Alabama. And then temperatures will moderate quite quickly as we get to Wednesday. You see 30s, 40s returning quickly. Any problems that are left over tonight from road surfaces that refreeze, because we'll want you to be really cautious late tonight, early on Wednesday morning, because any areas of standing water that are on local highways will refreeze again tonight as temperatures fall below freezing. So we'll want you to be very careful and check road conditions before you travel tomorrow morning. Let's go out and let's play in the GFS land. Here's seeing the another little band of light snow moving through during the day tomorrow to the north. We've consistently seen that on the models, but I don't think that's going to be any problem for us here in Alabama. High pressure begins to take control of our weather, and as we step through Friday, we see another cold front approaching from the north. Snow showers moving through the Ohio Valley into the northeast. A weakening band of showers moving down into the Tennessee Valley. But I think for us here in central Alabama, we probably stay mainly dry. We'll leave a mention of showers in the forecast through the weekend, especially as another system moves through the Great Lakes region and moisture increases to our west. But the best chances for rain will come early next week. This is Monday, moving through time. We see some showers there across central Alabama, and they begin to get more organized, more concentrated by Tuesday night. This is Wednesday. We see organized low pressure moving into Illinois and another band of showers and thunderstorms moving into Alabama. This is Wednesday at noon of next week, and you can see a good chance of rain for much of central Alabama, but a very quick system, a quick hitting system moving on out pretty quickly. High pressure remaining in control of our weather for the end of next week. Here, temperatures off the GFS will stay in the 30s today, drop to near freezing or below, be middle upper 20s over much of northeast Alabama tonight. We'll be in the lower to middle 40s tomorrow for your highs on Wednesday, and then Thursday we'll see highs in the lower 50s, be back near 60 degrees on Friday, and then it'll be quite nice, quite balmy as we head into the weekend and beyond. We'll see 40s for lows Saturday morning and Sunday morning, but we'll be back in the 50s for lows by Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday as those showers get in here. You can see a cool down by next Thursday as we move into the 40s again for daytime highs. Now, as we take a look at the extended period, we'll just step through time here. Watch the system move on out to the east today. High pressure taking control of Alabama's weather and remaining that way. This is through Thursday. As we go through time, we see the high pressure off to the east in North Carolina, allowing some moisture to move back into the Arctic mist. We see that system moving through the Tennessee Valley, perhaps bringing some showers over the weekend. Moisture returns again on the backside of that high into Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi. The high pressure continues to protect us. We see the increasing showers by next week, midweek, colder following that system. And then it looks like we get into a progression of more rain systems. This is Saturday night, the 9th of February, showing another good chance of rain and thunderstorms across central Alabama. And as we advance forward, another good chance of rain, some thunderstorms thrown in on the 13th, bleeding over into Valentine's Day. And that is the end of the forecast period and voodoo territory for us here. Well, roads are wet across central Alabama this morning. The areas that are beginning to see some snow could see some light accumulations on dusty areas. Remember, a winter weather advisory is in effect, something that we'll want to continue to watch through the day. Watch out for those hazardous travel conditions. As that system ends, we'll look for the snow this morning, or for the sun to come out later this morning and this afternoon. Improving conditions, and then tonight watch out for patchy ice on area roadways, and then we should return finally to normal. Well, that's your weather video for this Tuesday the 29th. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray. It's been fun to sit in with you this morning. Check us out, continuing coverage over on ABC 3340 through the morning hours as the snow event kind of winds down, and of course we'll have frequent updates right here on the blog throughout the day. Have a great day, and as I always say, keep an eye to the sky because you'll always have something fun to look at.